So next up, guys, got a whole group of these van trailers coming in. So this is a 2017 Stoughton. I believe it's a 48-foot van trailer, 13.6 tall. Rubber looks real good, guys. Just doing a walk around video, kind of show you a good 360-degree view. LEDs all around. I think most all the lights do work. You got your turn signal there on the side flashing. Try to show you these on here on the back. You got your kind of LED markers up top are all lit up. If you can read or see those. Got your turn signals. Those lights are all working. The guy that brought it in said that it drove real good down the road. The sliding axles there in the back, guys, so that you can kind of move those axles there in the back. They will slide for you. Spring ride. Blinker on that side works too. I'll have some pictures inside, but obviously a rear roll-up door. There's two 2017s, guys, this one and that one, and then I think the one on the end's a 2021. So 3 van trailers, identical, guys, both really good shape, or all 3 of them really good shape, ready to go to work. So good luck, guys, at auction time at Old 20 Auctions. There's just a quick walk around video on the 2017 Stoughton 48-foot van trailer. Good luck with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.